Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail world, what it do, man. We at this first stop out here in North Nashville, out here at TriStar Energy right now. They got two cars for us, but we probably just gonna be doing this one, man. It's hot as shit today. It's supposed to be a heat index of 110, 115, and look at the sun. She's shining, but it's a little hazy out here. I'm not sure if the air quality sucks because of that fire that's in Canada, but we already started detailing the interior of this car. We already got this side of the car completely done. Right now we're going to get ready and work on the other side, but I'm going to show. The only reason I didn't show y'all what it looked like because I was on the phone, and being on the phone sometimes I be so caught up in the conversation that I do not pull out the camera because I'll be too busy on the phone. But I wish y'all could have saw how dirty this was. It still got a little more to go. You know, you see it. Even this still dirty, you know, the pedals and stuff, so I'm gonna come back and hit that. But I mean, it was caked up dirt, like all right here, caked up just everywhere. Even in the back, it was the same thing, caked up dirt everywhere. We actually, seats a little wet, so you know what I mean. But you look over here, that's what it looked like. It was debris everywhere, your sticks, your twigs, little candy, stuff like that. It's a little dirty in the back. We're gonna definitely hit this back, hit all back there, get that cracking. Clean these doors, get the door jams. You already know the exterior of the car. And if you look over here, how dirty it look. Like I say, this is what it look like. So it really was dirty. So we definitely getting it cracking. We're gonna charge them about $225 to get the car done. But right now, I don't even know what kind of car this is. I think it's a Honda Pilot. Give me 1 second, my phone ring. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out this car, finish it. Already got the vacuum, all the utensils out. We're gonna continue doing our job and make sure we do the job sufficiently. So I hope whatever you're doing today, man, you do it right. You take pride in whatever you do, man, no matter what you're doing with your hands. God gave you hands, and like I said, with those hands, do what you gotta do, man, because there's people out here that don't have hands and wish they can be doing what we was doing. So stay blessed, man, stay stress-free, and on that note, be grateful for who you are and what you have, man. Don't think about what you don't have, man. Be grateful for what you do have, and on that note, I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Detail world, what it do, man. We finally got this Honda Pilot done, man. Took us 2.5 hours to get it done. It was pretty dirty. Y'all remember what it looked like, but we got the car up to par. Car looks amazing. They're definitely going to be enthused with the work. Like I said, they constantly using my services. So, you know what I mean? Like I said, because I take so much pride in the work I do. So on that note, man, I hope you take pride in whatever you're doing. Man, just stay focused on the task at hand, man. Don't worry about nothing else. Worry about what you need to worry about. Don't worry about what other people talking about. Forget what they're associating about, man. Just figure out your way to associate with the right people that's gonna help you get to where you need to be. And like always, man, I'm gonna stay dedicated to the process. So I hope you stay dedicated. And I'm gonna do what I gotta do so you can do what you gotta do. You do what you gotta do so I can do what I gotta do, man. Hit that subscribe button if you want. I appreciate it. Just bloop, bloop, hit it. Man, you can leave a comment, man. We're gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We actually at the second appointment right now. We're doing this Lincoln Navigator. This gotta be like a 2022, maybe a 2023 version, but we actually already knocked out this side. I know lately I just been showing y'all already knocked out a side of the car, but man, it's hot out here, and when it being so hot, I be trying to hurry up and get a lot of this done. But if you look, I'm already working on this side. If you look back here, it's a lot of debris, a lot of sticks, twigs, a lot of kid debris. They got 2 kids. But if you look up here in the front, I already vacuumed majority of this. But this debris came from this track. When you move this track, a lot of that dirt fly out. But yeah, man, I already got it cracking. Already got it done. Already got the doors wiped down. Already got this side done. Doors wiped down completely. Carpet clean. We actually already got the monitors and things wiped down, cup holders and stuff like that. But we're still in the process of working on the car. We're doing the interior detail, and then we're gonna actually do the exterior of the car. Then we got 3 more cars to do after this. But one car we just need to wax it. We actually cleaned it the other day. And then another car is a full detail, and the next car is a full detail. So we out here working hard. You see how the debris, dirt over there, because we couldn't get it from that side. You see how clean it is. But we're gonna go ahead and continue doing what we're doing, man. And I hope you are dedicated to whatever you're doing, man. I got the fro out today. About to go get the hair braided again. By the time you see me on video again, hair be braided. But like always, man, we take so much pride in the work we do. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out this Lincoln Navigator, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do? What it do? What it do, man? We got the whole interior of the car clean, in and out. All seats, all windows, all wheels. Took a little bit of time right now, but we got it done. Our next customer actually canceled, so we about to head to our last stop for the day, which gives me more time to do what I need to do. But yeah, I just got a call about an attorney about some fraud charges, which I have no idea about. So I was on the phone with them for a while. It's kind of got me upset that people still out here doing scams and shit like that. But other than that, man, we knocked out this Lincoln Navigator. Car came out excellent. They're definitely gonna be enthused with the work. So I'm gonna go ahead and park it. Let them know I'm done. Head to the next stop. We got 2 Jeep Cherokees to do. There go that other car we did the other day. But like always, man, take pride in whatever you do, and we're gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We are at this last appointment. We doing this Jeep Cherokee SRT. It's not a Trackhawk. This was made a couple years before they started calling it a Trackhawk. But if you look right there, it does say it's track. And also have the launcher pad, all that. But if you look, it has the Hawk looking thing. But we already detailed the whole interior of the car. We got the whole interior of the car knocked out. Like I said, I'm kind of in a rush. I got here at 3 o'clock. It's already 5 o'clock. I still need to wax this car, and I gotta wax the other car that I didn't wax the other day. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish this car, man. Y'all already know that I stay dedicated to the process. So I hope whatever you're doing, stay dedicated, man. Don't stop. Don't waver for nothing, man. And on that note, I'll catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do. Y'all remember how black those wheels was, but we got the car completely done, man. This is a Jeep Cherokee. Like I say, Trackhawk, but they didn't call them Trackhawks, then they just called it an SRT. But we got the car completely done, man. Like I said, we got it waxed, got it detailed in the inside. So we about to head home. This is the last car today. So on that note, man, do what y'all gotta do, because y'all know what I'm gonna do, man. I'm gonna stay committed to the process. Got the big fro out. It's hot. But like I always, one love thyself, man. Remember, you can't love anybody if you don't love yourself. And on that note, like always, man, peace. All right. Detail World. Even though we officially working, but it's probably about like 8 o'clock. I probably started working on my car at 7 o'clock, but I completely got the car done. And out. My car was completely dirty. Like my wheels, they chrome now, but the things is black. So I haven't really had time to clean my car, because when it be so hot like this, once I'm done working, I just basically want to go home and just relax. But I'm gonna give you a quick glimpse of the interior of my car. Look pretty clean. We got the seats nice and clean. We already put the mats back in. So we're about to go ahead and go in the house, call it a night. Found my battery. I thought I lost on my camera, so that's a good thing. So I'm gonna go in the house, charge the batteries up. The interview for tomorrow was canceled, so I'm gonna go do some vlogging, so y'all will see some new stuff on the channel tomorrow. Even though I really shouldn't be spending any money, but y'all already know how that go, man. So on that note, man, I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace.
Cause I was on YouTube. Watching TY 38.